as I pray for her returning to me.
Fucking left train from the most.
We should have 25,000 in the bank, and that money, and that.
Current loop video is now locked.
Oh man, I know a motherfucker ain't hit my.
He was so good, let's resume it. Baby, on the night we can prove it. Baby, on the
Again, the.
Whoa!
That just exploded. You okay?
I just don't know. I mean, putting her.
What happened?
Someone crashed.
That could have been us.
Just go. Just go.
Why did they crash? I didn't cause it, right?
I don't think so.
I was turning right.
You were turning right.
Damn. Oh, you're gonna take off. Oh. Damn. He just took off.
Yup. Man, it was a motherfucking accident.
I got it on camera. Yep, there he is right there. He just took off.
Holy shit, look at all the cars.
Why didn't he stop that?
Oh my god,
Oh.
do you have his... What was that?
Jesus Christ.
pull over just after the Richard Avenue exit.
911, where's your emergency?
Okay, we just got hit on 17. We're trying to, I don't think there's a lot of damage, but we're trying to get the guy that hit us to pull over off the highway.
Is he still driving this?
Yes, the car's right in front of us, the one that just hit us.
Okay, I recommend that you don't follow him, ma'am.
No, we're not trying to follow him. It looks like he or she is trying to pull over. She's trying to,
Okay, so they are trying to stop.
Yeah, we were in the left-hand lane, and on 17 South, yeah, she's pulling over.
Okay,
looks like we're pulling into the parking lot at Home Goods in Burlington.
Okay, so there's a Wendy's down the way from you?
Down the road, yeah.
Okay, and she did pull over.
She did pull over. We're going to pull into he or she. We're going to pull in.
What kind of cars are involved?
My truck is a,
She's just oblivious. Yep.
Oh my God, dude. Yeah, hello? I was just in a car accident and the car is running from me on South Carolina 160 into York County. 7091 PJ is the license plate number. South Carolina plate south. It's Going southbound on 521 right now.
Are you on 4 Mill Highway?
521 south right now by 160.
Over by 160? Okay, which way are you turning?
521 north right now.
You're going north?
Going back onto 160. Westbound. He is running. He is running. He just...
Okay, don't try and chase him.
Oh shit!
I know what you're gonna do. Let him pass.
I told Joe that I can't make any promises. God.
What's happened here? I was hungry with you. Of course, fuck. I was hungry with you. You didn't hear?
It's all good, brother. Thank you. I don't know, man. You could probably go right there if you need to. There's a precinct right there. You need to do something, alright? I don't know, man.
Fucking destroyed my car, man.